Hi everybody, it's me, Mike Celestino from Laughing Place, and happy George Lucas's birthday to you. We were lucky enough to get a copy of this Star Wars Crochet finger puppets from Thunder Bay Books, and they sent this to us to open up and review. So I'm going to do a little unboxing here. It says it includes everything you need to make Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader, but there's also instructions on how to make all these guys. Han Solo, Princess Leia, Boba Fett, there's Vader, and Obi-Wan. And then on the back you got a bunch more. Even there's Yoda, there's Stormtrooper, Emperor Palpatine, Jabba the Hutt. And it says, "May the Force be with you as you craft the heroes of the Rebel Alliance and their foes from the Galactic Empire. Learn to crochet the 10 projects in this kit, each a miniature rendering of a favorite character, with unique pattern instructions and color illustrations to guide you in completing the puppets. Included are all the materials needed to make both Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader, a 2.25mm steel crochet hook, tapestry needle, 2 sets of plastic safety eyes, stuffing, and 9 colors of yarn." And then this says, create Luke Skywalker, Darth Vader, Princess Leia Organa, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Boba Fett, Han Solo, Emperor Palpatine, Yoda, Jabba the Hutt, and a Stormtrooper. And here's a look at all of those guys. Now, obviously, this kind of thing requires some talent and maybe some experience with crochet. But I'm going to open this up and take a look at what's inside, and we'll see what the instructions look like. If I think I'm going to be able to do it on my own, or if it's going to take some practice and some time. Here we go. Let's open the box here. Zoom out a little. Okay, so we've got the book. There's some yarn, kind of a tan color, a yellow, white, black, and a lighter shade of tannish, and much more black, a whole bunch more black, because you need to make Darth Vader, and he's mostly black. Let's take a look inside the book. Star Wars Crochet Finger Puppets. There's Luke and Vader. And then it's a list of the tools and materials you're going to need. Yarn, stuffing, hooks, scissors, tapestry needle, notions, and storage. Not sure what that means. And then teaching you how to do crochet stitches. Yeah, this might be beyond me, guys. I know how to put together Lego sets. Am I capable of doing this? I doubt it. But that does not speak to the quality of this set, which is very high. I think it would take me a while. If I really focused, it would still take me a while to learn how to do this. But it definitely seems really neat. If you're into crochet, if you've done stuff like this before, this certainly seems like a great set to pick up. And then, even if you haven't done it before and are willing to devote some time, now might be a good time if you're stuck at home, don't have a lot to do, and you want to take up a new hobby. You can grab this set on Amazon and start learning how to crochet. But yeah, I'm not sure if I personally am going to be able to do it anytime soon. Here's making the Stormtrooper and the Yoda heads. Method and assembly of Leia's body there. There's Luke. Yeah. It might be a little beyond me, but there are definitely a lot of people out there much more talented with this kind of stuff, this crafty stuff, than I am. But yeah, I mean, it looks very cool, very well put together. All the instructions are here. There's Boba Fett, Han, Emperor Palpatine, Yoda, Stormtrooper, Jabba the Hutt. And then the author is Kara Mitrani, pictured there. This is the back. And yeah, let's take a look at what else is in the box. Lift this part up. There's some... Okay, this is stuffing, I believe, inside this plastic container here. Got the yarn. Here's the crochet needle. And eyes for the characters. More black yarn. So yeah, that is Star Wars Crochet Finger Puppets from Thunder Bay Books. And it's officially licensed, of course, from Disney and Lucasfilm. Yeah, again, I recommend picking that up if you have the time and patience to figure it out, or if you're into crochet already and love these Star Wars characters, which I do. I wish I had the talent. I wish I had the time to really sit down and learn how to do this, but not gonna happen right at the moment. Still looks very, very cool. This has been Mike Celestino with Laughing Place. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you real soon.